Ni hao and salam alaikum everyone! Welcome to Jabagab's YouTube channel. Today, we will be cooking two appetizers. One is the garlic chili oil and the other is the famous palapa or sakurab. Stay tuned till the end! Chili sauce is done, so next is palapa or sakurab. Palapa feels like home.
Like my brother, and you are the only one my everything.
Thanks for watching mga kajabagab! Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye-bye!